Today, a hero was born with a dream of free India. 23rd January 1897. Patanjali Rishikar celebrates the birth anniversary of the legend, our beloved Netaji. Subhash Chandra Bose.
Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23rd January 1897 in the eastern India city of Cuttack, Odisha, to Janaki Nath Bose, a well-respected advocate, and Prabhavati Devi, who came from aristocratic family. Subhash Ji was the ninth in the family of 14 children.
Subhash Chandra Bose was greatly influenced by Swami Vivekanand and Ramakrishna Paramhans. He enrolled at the Presidency College in the year 1911. In the college, the behavior of the British professors were humiliating to the Indian students. Subhash could not tolerate the way professors abused them. Subhash took a lead and called for a strike which went for 3 days, and finally the strike was called off when the professor apologized, but Subhash was rusticated from the college. Later he joined Scottish Church College. There he took military training. Subhash graduated from the Calcutta University at the age of 22. Then he went to England to appear in Indian Civil Service examination. He stood for an ICSE exam but resigned only to take part in the freedom fight.
Later he went to Bombay to meet Gandhiji and spoke to him about his freedom struggle. But Gandhiji suggested him to see Deshbandhu Das and work with him, saying, "My road to freedom is non-violence and yours is different." So Subhash joined with Deshbandhu Das and formed Swaraj Party, which organized for demonstrations, processions and meetings for which he was imprisoned.
In 1943, he formed the Azad Hind Fauj, also known as the Indian National Army or INA, in order to combat the violent British forces.
Give me blood and I will give you freedom is not only a slogan to get ignited, but are the pair of lines proving that if you have the desire to do something, if you have the desire to get something, you must have the desire to give something.
On August 17, 1945, Netaji took a Japanese plane to an unknown destination. Unfortunately, he could not reach his destination as the plane crashed on its way. Mystery still surrounds the disappearance and eventual death of Netaji.
Subhash Chandra Bose, one-man army. Netaji's ideology and thoughts are a great source of inspiration in the modern times too, and also a source of guidance for the future generation.
The people of India fondly remember Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's unparalleled contribution to this great nation in his 125th birth anniversary. The Government of India has decided to celebrate the 125th birth anniversary year of Netaji beginning from January 2021 in a befitting manner at national and international level. In order to honor and remember Netaji's indomitable spirit and selfless service to the nation, the Government of India has decided to celebrate his birthday on the 23rd of January every year as Parakram Divas to inspire people of this country, especially the youth, and to infuse in them a spirit of patriotic fervor.